Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. Well, we didn't get a tornado. I'm going to be stopping here at Scott's Garage because I'm wondering if he's become a Fedex guy. You know, as I know it, the Fedex trucks you see, they're owned by some local company. They're a franchisee or something. See that one over there? See this one here? Now the X looks bad on the side of this one. I'm wondering if he won them on a bid or if they're in for repair. Could be either way. I mean, this is Scott's Garage. So I'm going to wake him up and find out. Oh, it's telling me to turn my headlights off. Yeah, I'm getting old. Okay, I'm back. I gotta get my keys out of my pocket. Where's my keys? Where did I put my keys? Oh yeah, it's over here in the left coat pocket. Yeah. Okay. Had a nice conversation with Scott. So one of the trucks is pretty good, and one of them is basically salvage. And yes, he got them at auction. And it isn't going to look like a Fedex truck a lot longer. Now, just for the fun of it, let's just look at what it says on the side of the truck. We can probably Google this, since you can Google this and probably find out what happened to this company. Infinite Commitment Solutions Incorporated, Tallahassee, Florida. My understanding is that the auction was in South Carolina, so that may have been where this truck was. But he picked it up in Laurinburg, North Carolina, which is right on the South Carolina border, North Carolina border. And it says down in smaller type, operated by FedEx Ground. The trucks of this size for local delivery are local franchisees of FedEx. I knew that. So what you're seeing there is what we would expect to see on the side of any given FedEx truck of this size and type. Now the bigger ones for long haul, and as a matter of fact, there's a guy here locally. Now this is the second one, and as he pointed out and I didn't notice, you'll notice this is partially up on blocks, and this one had been in an accident of some kind. So it's not in the kind of shape as the first one we were looking at. There's a guy that I've met here locally about 6 months ago, maybe it was a little more than that. I had a chance to talk with him. He has a long haul route, I believe it is for FedEx, but it's the bigger trucks, the transshipments, where he goes to West Virginia every day and back. So there are different segments of that business. Scott's always doing something interesting. That's all I'm going to say. Scott's always doing something interesting. By talking to him, I learned something new. Okay. I've run my mouth enough. Steve AB4 happy that the tornado that came down near Charlotte didn't bother us. I heard the big thunderstorm at 3 a.m. for 5 minutes, and then it went all quiet, so it passed over us lightly, saying see you at 73.